Alright, what is going on, guys? Harrison here, bringing you another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to unlike tweets in bulk. Super easy, super quick. You just go to your Twitter profile, click on your likes. When I'm on a PC, I use a mouse, right? So I just click the scroll button, hold down and left, and then let this thing scroll for however long you want. Because it's going to basically, the script is going to unlike the tweets that are on the screen. Okay? Okay, so say we just did that. Once it stops freezing. Okay, so we got some tweets. Then you go inspect. I do this in Google Chrome. Go to console. Paste what's in the description, just like that in the console. Click enter. That's my guy J-Shot. Sorry, I'm unliking your tweet. It's for the video. You know the grind. See? It says actions are done. Close that. Make sure you refresh before you do it again, because or else it's gonna re-like all of these tweets. We're at 5,800 something. Now we're at 5,500 something, and then you guys can continue down the line and just continue to do that as far as you want. Unlike as many tweets as you want. You go right down to the bottom and do this. Sometimes the browser will crash. I think it's about to crash right now. Yeah, it's about to crash. It just crashed. Oh no, we're good. We're good. Sometimes you just have to click off the scroll button. But yeah, that's how you guys unlike tweets in bulk. So if you guys want to go do some like self-marketing, go like a whole bunch of tweets, get your views on your account up, and then go unlike. I'm not doing this like that, but I'm just sick of having 7,000 likes, so I'm starting fresh. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.